Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Luna from the free play, I don't know, tasks on Dress to Impress. Here is Luna's ticket shop. Okay, I should say Luna from the Dress to Impress Halloween ticket shop, I guess. So basically, to dress up as her, you're just going to go to this, well, you're going to put on this face. It's the same one. You don't need makeup, custom makeup for it. Then you're just going to put on this hair. And I just colored it this brown 4E301E. Then for the pants, you do need VIP for this. She wears these ones. I think it's a little bit bluer from what I see. And then for the outfit, you get it from the Baddy Pass, the Halloween one. It's for free, don't worry, it's not the diamond one. It's on like the 27th level, I think. Yeah, it is. Then for her nails, she has like these black nails. I think it's like D-shaped. I don't know what it's called. I don't do my nails, okay? I'm sorry. And then what else am I missing? Oh, shoes, right. Shoes, you're going to get these heels and just color them black. And that is how you can dress up as Luna from Luna's Ticket Shop on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Oh, I thought she had earrings. Okay. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.